is up, YouTube? Rebel Iverson here. Welcome to an all-new episode of The Journey. And today, we were selected for the Rising Stars game, and we're draining at 3. AI Junior was selected to play the Rising Stars game, hoping that we'll have a good game, but then D'Angelo Russell there getting past me. Time to bring out the dribble moves. Oh, back up. Stand out, a 3. Oh, and right there, we don't get it. But that's alright. Oh, right there with the good shot, D. The good shot defense, though. On Marin's now preventing him from scoring. Let's go. Go Iverson. And right there. And I'm getting into a slump now. All I do is really shoot threes. I'm having a terrible game. But if you guys didn't notice, I'm actually having a very terrible season, only averaging about 5.5 points per game. Oh, why can't I do better? Come on. Oh, with another 3 right there over Nerlens Noel. Oh my goodness. Let's get this ball. Oh, sorry, I left D'Angelo Russell wide open again. Oh, D'Angelo Russell kind of awkward facing off against each other. Do that, we're teammates. Getting here, shoot the 3. And that's not cash. That is not cash. Come on. Give it to Iverson. Give it to Iverson. Oh no. Well guys, I'm sorry I didn't show the rest of the video, but my recorder really can't handle it. Hope you guys enjoyed some of my Rising Stars game. I'll see you guys in the next video.